Okay mga kaswabe, I am here at GD Iloilo. It's been a while right now. Kasintahan niyo na ako ni Bayo. Ano na siya biglaan Kay before ko makatod nanawagang manghod sa akon. Supposed to bitanin hindi ko maglakat Nanawagang manghod sa akon nga tagani ko siya plate because naka-short sa iyang kwarta. Eventually, pag nakita niya nga may discount sa ginabakila niya, let's just say Imperial, no, na gano'n siya, nagbaka siya ng aircon for our house. So, gulpiada na why not nga makato ko din sa GD Iloilo. For some reasons, natanaw ko na sa Facebook page, may test drive events sila Subong. So, time check, it's already 4:47 in the afternoon. Luckily, pwede ta makahingagaw. I'm sure ang ilang showroom sarado sila by 6. So here, kina-process ng ako nga for the papers and for documentation for test drive because I'm going to drive this one. This is the GD Coolray. This is the sport version, the top of the line of the GD Coolray lineup in the Philippines. And as you can see, let me give you a rundown spec. 1.5 liter, 4-cylinder. They got 3-cylinder It has a maximum power of 128 kilowatts and 290 Newton meters of torque. Mated siya sa naka-DCT ata siya, I think. Well, performance-wise, ang 0 to 100, I'm very glad that it came up to 7.6 seconds. Ang liters per 100 kilometers is 5.8 liters. So amo ning design language ng GD Coolray. Kung makita nyo, I think brand all new siya or facelift So all new siya from inside and out If I take a look at the peak, just for the interior. So amo ning bag-o nga GD Coolray. This is for the 2026 model year. Same features, but different in style. I think nga may upgraded siya, no? So, kagi ko na reviewed ang old nga GD Coolray, maybe 2021 model year. So, yeah. Kung wala pa ako makakatanaw sa GD Coolray nga sinang unang nga GD Coolray, katuwa mo sa ako ng YouTube channel, ZZKP Iloilo, para matanaw niya. Apart from the GD Coolray, may ata silang test drive unit nga GX3 Pro na launch na siya since 2023 kaga M Grand. May ata nako reviews ang M Grand sa ZZKP Iloilo. Tanawan niyo na mga kaswabe. So, ang available nga units dito sa may showroom is the GD Okavango, GD GX3 Pro, kagang GD Coolray. Next year, basi may plan ko maghimo sang full in-depth review about the GD Okavango. Pero may ko nga GD Okavango pero pre-facelift. Yeah. So ang difference is the grille, no? Same sila sang GX3, GD M Grand. So ang interior the same thing as the previous one. If I go swivel around sa ilang so driver's side na, I think there is a difference but I think yeah, it's pretty much the same, but siguro sa interior color yan siguro lang fun. So this is the top of the line model. May kalaban na si GD Okavango, which is the Mitsubishi Destinator. There will be a head-to-head challenge against the G50, the M6, the Z-Nex. So, stay tuned na yung mga kaswabe. And also this one, naka-promise ko sa inyo nga imuha ni video pero in some circumstances, wait na imuhan. So, pero himuan ni mga kaswabe ang nga GX3 Pro next year. So more GD videos will be coming up next year. And look at the ambience na. Tapos may welcome drink ka pa ha. Can I sneak it? I So yeah, naka-prepare na ang akon nga naka-prepare na ta sang aton nga test drive and okay sir, thank you. So the cool thing here mga kaswabe is may test drive sila nga event. There is a GD. Pero kung once na ma-test drive ka sa isa ka unit sa GD, like the GX3 Pro, the, what you call it, Coolray and the M Grand, may ka nga Starbucks coupon. Let's confirm for this one. Though na ano lang ko sa coupon nga na. Anyway, ali ang power output. Yes, dual clutch transmission. So right now mga kaswabe, I will see you there. No? I'll see you there once we get over to the Coolray. And I'm very excited. I've never driven a GD before. Miskin isa lang. Maskin isa, way pa drive sa GD. So at this moment, I'm very very excited for this. And you know what? Let's go.
Start ko sir. Press mo nila tapos along press mo nila doon mga mag-start naman.
Okay, sir. No problem. Okay.
Tapos pwede mo pa na window.
The same thing as the previous Coolray.
Yes.
Oo, same thing as the previous
Pero
Coolray.
wala lang ganda na reconnaissance ko.
Yeah, that's the disadvantage.
Tapos pwede ko siya ma-close.
Okay.
Pero mag-on kasi ang aircon sir dapat ara ang sulod. Brake lang na tapos mag-on aircon.
Okay. Nice.
Pagsa mo sa
Yes, sir.
check ang pag-oil. Tapos may ara sa sir Juan. Ambient light. Basta mag-on mo nga headlight.
Okay. Nice.
On basta on mo headlight.
Okay, may jump in.
Tapos second row sir, air vent.
Tapos, start ko.
Naka-start na sir.
Alright. Okay. Here's the key fob. Same key as the previous one. So let me put this here. Bottom my couple of this. Bottle of this. Applicable for the bottle. Okay. Okay. So, amo nang set up
Yes.
for
Wireless charger.
for this charger siya. Let's try. Okay. Can you? Okay. Bag ko. Okay. Okay, so may wireless charger,
Yes,
may
wireless charger.
and also a new shifter.
Yung shifter, wala siya paddle shift.
That's the one. Okay, di gan may paddle shift siya.
Yes, may paddle shifter
Oo,
siya.
paddle shifter siya.
Bali, hindi siya manual mode. All automatic lang yun.
Okay. So,
Tapos, driving modes. Sport.
sport. Balano na sport.
Adaptive.
Okay. Adaptive. And
Comfort.
and eco.
Eco.
So, I know about the three modes. Except the adaptive. What is the adaptive? Anong functions ng adaptive?
Adaptive na sir, isa mo na siya ang kwan. It depends sa driving habits ni driver. If ang driver, sir, ang iyang ang driving habits is like comfort. Si Coolray na lang sir yung matomato. Isang kwan sa comfort.
So, comfort siya. The comfort level siya.
Yes.
Okay. And what else do we have here? Sa ano
Mga bago sir, Apple CarPlay. Pero need yapon ang
saksakan.
saksakan.
So that's a sad thing.
Pero mga may ginatag nga freebies Kung gusto gid ni client ma Apple CarPlay, may
Or-
ano tawag nga dangle.
Dangle.
Yes, nga daw Apple CarPlay na siya. To USB type.
Maya siya nga, way na siya Android Auto, no?
Android Auto sir, may ang kuan magyapon. Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Yes.
So, muna yung controls siya.
Controls.
Very similar controls, ano? Very similar controls from the previous. So, pero dahil ng setup, steering wheel ang setup, Oo. So, nag-touch,
Laba.
na siya laba. Pila nga inches niya?
Ang
12 ni. 12 ni. Okay. Ang ini 12. Hindi.
same ng tanan.
Same tanan. So 12.
Yes.
What else do we have here? May ara siya nga storage compartments dalo.
Yes.
Kag may sunroof na siya. Oo.
Shades.
Shades. Okay.
And then sunroof.
Okay. Oh. Okay, that's good. May siya nga sunglasses. May lights, LED. Tapos ang both of the sun visors have same thing. Na may siya nga all in all, nami ang materials that it use. May siya nga soft touch materials, carbon finish, hard touch plastic as always. Pero high quality. Pero high quality man siya. May siyang ambient lighting lang. That's the good thing about in this car.
For the ambient lights sir, pwede ka select kung gusto mo colors. Kung gusto mo ang musical rhythm sir,
Naka-beat na siya.
Yes.
Ano na ang promise siya?
Ang change color. Blinking na siya.
I prefer this one. Kaya amuning daw kanami gid sa mata sa passengers. Even sa mga driver kung pauway ka damo na. Kanami gid sa kwan. Let me adjust the seat first for a while before we start driving. So steering naka-electronic. Ano also humok siya. Not in a sense nga humok nga may control. Tayo horn niya. Tunog. Tunog. We can open this up. The shades. Kaya para ma-invite sa lighting. Nothing else to say about this car. But it's pretty brilliant. Same shifter. Different shifter. Different shifter para mag-control sa mag-drive. Why siya button?
Wala na sir. Bali push mo lang.
Push mo na siya at mag-reverse.
Kaduwagid na.
Kaduwa. Tapos mag-drive.
Kasi mangyapan sir, duwa man.
Why siya manual shifting?
Wala. Bali wala man siya gyapon pedal shifter.
Tapos the good thing is may siya 360. So mag-drive ka. May
Reverse
tapos
mag-drive na.
Muna. Okay.
Mag-park
Tumak mo lang.
Yes,
Okay. So muna, anyway, I can't wait to take this out of the wheel. Shall we?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Okay mga kaswabe, let's start this drive of this new 2026 or 2025. Okay, sorry. 2025 GD Coolray Sport Plus. It's a very different story here compared to the previous one. Si Sir Bam,
yes, Bam.
Sir Bam nagkakapot sa camera, so forgive me sir if ikaw lang na magkapot sa camera because I forgot to bring my kasi nga biglaan because supposed to be tanin hindi ko madilakat subong But right now, we're here. So why don't we give it a shot? Okay. Makaka-set na ta. So we are in the default mode, okay?
No. In
Eco, Sport,
Adaptive.
So let's go to Comfort. Ano nang default yan? Alright, so let's go. May concept map. Alright. And also, one thing that is part of the safety feature is that naka ano siya,
Sensors.
naka-sensors na siya. It's a very big advantage nga naka-sensor siya. That's
Then lagi sir.
okay.
Okay.
So let me Nami siya kung nakadiretso eh. Nakadiretso nga dapat I can feel the ground. It's like a normal. Okay. Nothing more, nothing less. Before maglakatan ay just kind of review camera. Okay lang just this first. Okay. We're good? We're good. Okay. Alright, mga kaswabe. Let's start with our test drive with the new 2025 Geely Coolray. First time in the history nakadrive na ko sang Geely in my wildest dreams, okay? Wait lang, the problem here is nga nagadamo daw congested ang traffic because today oras ta is alas 5 rush hour na ta. So let's give it not a comfort drive for today. Natanta mga gagi so kung speed pass nga okay. Alright, we're going. So we're ready. So we're
Yes, pwede mo sir.
okay. And the good thing here sang iyang tawag ka? Camera gasiga whether you turn left or right, no? Actually, why gid nagbag-o eh. Do ga-maintain si Geely sa iyang technology. So I'm very glad that they maintained it in 2025 or maybe in 2026. So it's a big advantage sa kay Geely, no? So it's a grabe yung aircon, very cold. So that's a good advantage for that. Ang disadvantage lang, ay siya sang quad. Though some features nga nadula. Do nadula bala. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, we are going. May mga ADAS systems nila sir.
ADAS, yes. Yeah.
May mga like forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert. Ayan siya.
May ara siya pero wala sir, wala lang siya lane keeping assist.
Lane keeping assist. Okay. Pero sa previous may ara?
Wala sir.
Okay. Bisan pedestrian makadetect siya, no?
Namin sir is
Like pedestrian bala?
Like auto stop, auto stop.
Yes.
Wala sir. Wala siyang muna.
Wala siya. So mo warning na siya, no?
Balin, wala lang ito sir, normal nga mga hill hold.
Pero may yata siya nga blind spot. Yes,
blind spot.
May yata siya nga blind spot. So, una sa tanan, iyang NVH level. Naunta sa NVH level, yeah. Smooth. Very smooth, very quiet inside. Gagang, I guess the steering is in control. notice ko man ang iyang kuan sa comfort. Naka-comfort kita eh.
Comfort mo.
Naka-comfort mode kita. So I'm really glad nga si Geely may ara siya nga tawag ni character nga gahatag siya sa smooth and very relaxing drive, no? Sa comfort, yeah, for me it's quite good enough, no? The seats are very plush, no? Very plush right at the back. That gives me a nice comfortable ride. May ano siya nga concert, may ano siya nga tawag ni ventilated seats.
Drivers and passengers only.
Oh, so the front ones.
Yes. Sa likod wala.
Sa likod wala.
Wala.
So that's quite good, no? This Cruiser 1.2 million, okay gid niya. Basta mga kwan, pero sa city driving, okay smooth gid siya eh. Smooth ka gid to
Nami with sir kwan long drive.
sa long drive.
Yes, nami with siya.
Okay, that's good. Sa long drive, okay gid. Mambal ko lang di, daw smooth ang iyang aircon, very cold enough that keeps everything chilled during the hot days here in the Philippines. Tapos sa mga technological aspects ito, maka-benefit gid
For the price
of
1.1.
Oh, approximately 1.199.
Fully loaded
gid ya. But there's something is missing. Missing some pedal shifters. I think this car here is built for comfort driving, and also kung gusto niya sa mga madasig, sporty, may sa sport mode but hindi ka gid mag-manual shifting. This is not built for as a sports car like you're in a WRX, like a GT86, no. For me, it's may siya nga auto headlights, no? Automatic.
Yes.
Amuning namin sa kuan, suspension. Hindi ko mahambal isang suspension kay bangod nga we are in the paved road. But I could feel not much quite of hindi siya gano katagtag. Ibiriton to siya gamay.
Sure.
Ibiriton to siya gamay. Ito the pedestrian.
Kung gusto mo sir, try to si Sport.
Alright. Okay, sa gamay lang nga birit ang Cruiser in comfort. It has a great response. The DCT works its magic. There's a relationship that is exactly what I'm looking for. The relationship between the engine and the engine and the transmission. That is the good relationship that they built each other, that they worked each other. Manang maka-benefit yun. Pero sa technology, I'm telling you mga kaswabe, it's like wala na makamambalik sa technology at least proven ng Geely nga grabe yung pagka highest level wag ko mambal, but yeah. Visibility, yes, I forgot the visibility, okay siya, wala gid ya complaints, although visible gid siya even though the mirrors are quite small enough. Still you can see and it manages everything. But in terms of from the 360 camera, it works so well. So one more time, I want to test out on the racetrack. So gamay lang nga birit. Let's put it on sport mode. So when you put it in sport mode, please, sir. Eco and then sport. Gamay lang nga birit. Oh, yeah. grabe, gamay nga arangka ga kuan sa dayon. So yeah, it is a daredevil. It's a daredevil acceleration, a daredevil response. So I could guarantee that this GD Cool Ray could be for everyone, whether mapabata man o mamatanda. Okay, ganun GD Cool Ray. It's a crazy experience, no? But not so crazy enough because we are in a congested road here in Iloilo City. So we are may siyang auto start stop, no?
Sir.
Auto start stop.
Yep.
Yeah. So I don't figure out kung din ang auto start stop pa to. Anyway, after we take it for drive, after we head down to GD, let's figure out kung din ang auto start stop feature, yeah. So one more drive and then we're off we go. Sport mode please. Naka-sport mode.
Naka-sport na.
Okay. Gamayanan ka. So let me do just oh my god. Dila pa lang mga kaswabe ang sport mode. It gives you a crazy thing. Put it to eco, sir, just to make it more efficient. Okay, please, thank you. Okay, one more lap and we are now heading towards GD. That's enough for the test drive, no, sa GD Cool Ray. And I experience more of it. So eco mode. Okay, good. Oh, eco mode, it feels like normal for me. But
Kailan maging sa tapakan.
oh. And also, hindi ang kuan. Namin ang kuan, namin ang hatak. Namin ang hatak. Dasig ka, abang ka man sa gyapon. Grabe.
Saan comfort lang, sir? Dasig yun.
Dasig. Kung sa adaptive, I don't know. Kung sa
Adaptive, sir, depende sa driving mo.
Daw pali it's either sport mode
Yes,
or eco mode.
Depende sa
comfort.
pang-tapak mo gusto nyo ito, sir.
Okay. Let's put that into default mode just to comfort na tayo. Oh,
Okay.
nice Porsche. Okay, we're good. Or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay. Let's give it the shot. If you're like crazy, if you go crazy, even though we comfort mode, it brings you a whole level, a different level. But if you go cruising, smooth siya. It's very smooth. You don't feel anything about it. You like, daw pares na daw kasakay ka. Kung ikaw namalayan kung kasakay ka or wala na si Kuya test drive sa why mo namalayan kung nakasakay ka or nag-drive ka. But importante ang comfort ara. Okay, so we are approaching sa we are here chilling. Nice. Okay. Okay.
Break.
Park
Park.
and then
Okay na.
okay. That's it. Okay, so okay mga kaswabe, antes kita panaog sa sakyan, we will figure out kung diin ang auto hold function sa GD Cool Ray. So sir, can you show me? Okay, So mayroon siya auto folding,
Ito stop.
auto start stop, yes. Ang auto hold function ba sir sa?
Auto hold.
Yeah.
Auto hold.
So diri lang siya. Dapat naka seatbelt na. So this is the perfect thing about this car is that when you arrive at stop such as traffic light, mga traffic jams, hindi mo na hindi don't need brake. Hindi mo naman siya maglakat. Kaya ganyan yung auto start stop, maka-benefit kid siya sa mga traffic, maka-save agad ng extra fuel. So ako muna na mga kaswabe sang test drive ta sa Geely Coolray na sport. It's a very big experience, you know. It feels like it's a different story when you drive a Geely.
Yes.
And it makes me feel like it's a European. It feels like a European. It's though gid siya daw ka drive ko lang sang hatchback, hindi siya crossover.
Volvo gid.
Volvo, yeah. Oh, and ADAS systems.
Yes.
Grabe. Kagang 360, kagang so wag mambal sang yang features dere. Kag sa mga driving dynamics, wag ko mambal ya. And all I can say, it's very very smooth gid siya, and it's very inviting with this kind of ambient lighting. If you put a promise discoloration, ayos. Anyway mga kaswabe, balik na sa showroom. Let's close this video. So there you have it mga kaswabe. It's a great experience driving this 2025 Geely Coolray. And on the other side here, we have the Mitsubishi Destinator. So it's a great experience mga kaswabe. Grabe gandang driving dynamics ang Geely Coolray. First time, pero I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with the driving dynamics that this car has. Kaswabe, I just want to say thank you kay Sir Bam for assisting me sa pag-test drive sa bago na, I think bago yan, because facelift siya eh.
Yes, sir.
Geely Coolray Sport Plus. Kung interesado ka mo mga kaswabe, bakal sang any Geely products like the Coolray, GXP Pro, any Geely products, kanto ka may kay Sir Bam.
Sir Bam, yes.
I-leave ko ang iyang contact number sa may Facebook page, dire sa may description box, or na sa screen makita din naman kaswabe. Sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much sir sa pag-assist mo
Yes,
sa akin.
thank you.
And also kay Sir Ken Casina, na part of the MNV Auto Group. So maraming salamat sa inyong mga pag-kuha sa pag-assist.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So let me give you a quick tour mga kaswabe sa showroom dito sa Geely sa may Dungon Haro. So muna yung showroom. May 3 units available, Coolray, GXP Pro, kag Okavango, kag sa likod muna yung reception area sa mga sales agents. Kag kung makahulat ka mo sa mga service or mag-release ng units, ari lang waiting area. Kag iban mga offices dire sa kwan. Ay, si Sir Ken. Sir, long time no see. Yes, mga kaswabe, no? Amo na ilang ang mga kwan sa office nila, sa mga service. May CR dire kung mag-kwan ka mo sa monthly or cash, magabayad ka mo for releasing. Ito lang cashier. Okay. And also, gift card. Okay. 500 is just
I-download mo lang, sir, ang app.
ka Starbucks. Okay.
Tapos, pwede mo siya mabalutan.
Okay, pwede madudan. Okay mga kaswabe, tagaan mo sa rundown spec for this unit here, the Geely Coolray 2025 Sport Plus. You have LED lights, may siyang LED lights. I think wala siya side vents dire. It's a kind of a design. Meron siyang ADAS systems, ADAS features. Meron siyang forward-facing camera. Grilla, naglapad siya. And also, what do we have here? Mayroon siya nga design dira to make it more sporty for the ADAS systems dira. May parking sensors man siya. And also, mga kaswabe, ang iyang guma is Continental tires, Ultra Contact UC6. What is the measuring for this one? Okay, 18-inch tires. 18-inch wheels. To 215/55 are 18 tires, black rims. That's really nice, no? I forgot the initial braking. Ang initial braking, yeah, it's okay. It's very good. Good to the bite. On the inside, mga kaswabe, you can see here, very premium. You cannot see any sort of a sign of a Chinese Chinese feature. All of it are European. It feels like a BMW or Volvo. Volvo, kay si Giri ang nagakuan sang Volvo. Okay. Unleaded. Naka-unleaded ni Shata, mga swabe. Sa interior, dito sa may cockpit na guwapo, no? So, 3-spoke steering wheel, may flat bottom design. This is for your electronic gear selector for the 7-speed DCT. 12-inch screens for both instrument gauge and infotainment. Powered seats na sa driver. And also may siyang power tailgate. Let me show you. Okay. So naka-power tailgate siya, mga kaswabe. You can operate it in several ways. Digad may way siya sang button to open up the tailgate sa iyang sa cabin. Lots of space here. Grabe, it's been a while now. Pag may quad exhaust, it gives you a sporty feel. And oh, look, those sports car ang dating niya. You go to the side profile. Nice. So muna na yung mga kaswabe sa bagong Geely Coolray. And luckily, nakakingago ito sa test drive today. Time check, 5:41. And let's cut off this video for a moment. Thank you for watching.